In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a group meeting with one host using the one-to-many meeting feature. First, click on Add New from the meeting panel and select One-to-Many from the list. A new form will appear. Fill out the form by adding a title, location type, and other details. Once you are done with adding all the details, click on Create Meeting. Here, you will get a pop-up notification once the meeting is created successfully. From this page, you can change the available meeting time or keep the default time for a host as selected before. Set minimum notice for the booking in minutes, hours, and days. Set recurring meeting settings, change integrations, and add multiple booking questions for attendees. You can also skip this part and get this booking created on your created meeting list. Here, if you click the preview section, you can check the process of how a customer will be able to book a meeting with you. Thank you for watching the video, and do follow our socials.